Lipids are a diverse group of biological macromolecules that play a major role in energy storage, insulation, cell membranes, and even chemical signaling. Just like carbohydrates, lipids are mainly composed of hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen, but they're arranged differently. Lipids' superpower is that they're usually nonpolar and hydrophobic, which means water-fearing, making them insoluble in water. So their superpower is that they're scared of water? Okay. Unlike other biological macromolecules, lipids are not true polymers because they aren't built from long chains of repeating monomers. There are several major types of lipids to remember: fats and oils, phospholipids, waxes, and steroids. Fats are made up of two key components: glycerol and fatty acids. Glycerol is an organic compound made from 3 carbons, 5 hydrogens, and 3 hydroxyl groups. Fatty acids are long chains of hydrocarbons, typically around 12 to 18 carbon atoms long, with a carboxyl group at the end. Now, 3 fatty acids bond to glycerol's 3 carbons via ester bonds, releasing 3 water molecules in a dehydration reaction. Because of the 3 fatty acids, fats are sometimes called triacylglycerols or triglycerides. Well, I guess I ate too many lipids over the holidays. One last thing to keep in mind is that fatty acids can be saturated or unsaturated. If a fatty acid is saturated, that means that we only have single bonds in the hydrocarbon skeleton. If a fatty acid is unsaturated, that means we have at least one double bond between carbon atoms, which leads to bends in the chain. Let's review some other types of lipids. Waxes are hydrophobic and act as natural water repellents. They coat the surfaces of some plant leaves. Next, we have steroids, which are quite different from other lipids. They have a fused ring structure, but are still grouped together with lipids because they're hydrophobic and insoluble in water. Cholesterol is a common steroid that enzymes modify to produce hormones like testosterone and estradiol. Also, it's a precursor to vitamin D. So, lipids are what those guys take in the gym to get super jacked? Lastly, we have phospholipids. These are supremely important because they are the primary components of cell membranes. Now, unlike fats, phospholipids have just 2 fatty acid tails, forming diacylglycerol with a modified phosphate group occupying the final carbon of the glycerol backbone. The neat thing about phospholipids is that they're amphipathic, which means that they are partially hydrophobic because of the fatty acid tails and partially hydrophilic because of the phosphate head. Together, the unique properties of lipids allow cells to store energy, build membranes, and communicate, making lipids essential.